Hi guys, it's Danny here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a skincare content creator here on YouTube, over on TikTok, and have a beauty podcast over on Spotify. So if you're into beauty, skincare, all that malarkey, don't forget to hit subscribe and come back for all of my uploads. So in today's video, we're going to be deep diving into a nighttime skincare routine for when you're applying tretinoin. We all know that tretinoin has been proven to have many benefits, be that anti-aging, acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, whatever it is, Tret can do it. But actually incorporating tretinoin into your skincare routine is quite an art to avoid the irritation, avoid the skin peeling, flakiness, all of that malarkey. So I'm going to show you exactly how I use it. I'm a 4-year going on 5-year veteran of using tretinoin and pretty much avoid any irritation when using it. So if you're into that and you want to see how I use tretinoin as part of my skincare routine, hang around, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, of course, we're going to start off by cleansing the face. I love to start with an oil cleanse in the evening, particularly if I'm using my tretinoin. We want to make sure the face is squeaky clean. So I've got my Naturium Purple Ginseng Cleanser here. This is a beautiful cleansing balm, and I actually haven't got a lot of this left because, as you can see, she likes it. Really rich, great cleansing balm, effectively removes your makeup. It's also great for breaking down any SPF and dirt that's been on our face throughout the day. I've also got my Tata Harper Nourishing Oil Cleanser here. This is a bit more of a liquidy oil, as you can see from the consistency. Again, both of these cleansers are great, breaking down the dirt, SPF, makeup on your face throughout the day before we go in with our actual cleanser. So depending on what I've been doing throughout the day and what I've had on my face, there is the second cleanse, which is super important, but there's 2 categories that I like to pick and choose from for my second cleanse. So I like a cream cleanse, and of course I've got my e.l.f. Pure Skin. This is a beautiful, affordable cream cleanser. Or if I've been wearing makeup in particular, then I'll go for something a bit more foaming, such as this one here from the Roche-Posay. This is the Cicaplast B5 Gel Cleanser. These are great, both are just purifying the skin, deeper cleanse before we go in with our tretinoin. Now you guys know me and I'm a lover of hydration, particularly on evenings when I'm using tretinoin. As you know, it can cause irritation, flakiness and dryness of skin. So ensuring that our skin is well hydrated efficiently before we go in with our products to lock it all in before our Tret is super important. So this is the Micro Essence from Estée Lauder. I absolutely love this. I don't really know why no one's talking about this product. I've seen literally not a soul talk about it online. Brilliant essence, great size bottle. It's gonna take you a long time to finish it. I'm a big fan. And I also have my Shani Darden Sake Toning Essence here. Both of these are very hydrating, super lightweight, easy to apply to the skin, but providing a great level of moisture to prep the skin before our serums, before our moisturizers, before our tretinoin. Love them. You guys know me, and of course I have to bring a barrier repairing hydrating serum into the skincare routine. I've got 2 of my favorites here. So you've got the BYOMA, this is their hydrating serum, brilliant, super affordable, and of course my fave, Roche-PosayCicaplast B5 serum. Now I would apply these on top of my skin post using my essence. Skin's prepped, super hydrated, allowing the serum to be super effective, locking in the moisture, providing amazing hydrating ingredients, which is going to help our skin stay hydrated overnight when we've got our tretinoin on. Finally, we have our moisturizing step. So this is actually something that's a bit more prescriptive to you. Some people like to apply a moisturizer underneath their tretinoin, which I personally do. Some people like to apply it after on top of their tretinoin, and some people like to sandwich and do before and after. Personally, I'm a sandwich or at least before. I just feel like it provides a good buffer to the skin to avoid the irritation from occurring from the tretinoin. So of course, I've got 2 of my faves here. This is the Augustinus Bader Rich Cream. Well, actually, this is the cream, so it's not the rich cream. It's a bit lighter in consistency, which I personally prefer, especially this time of the year. So you've got the cream, and of course, Cicaplast B5. This is the new B5 Plus from La Roche-Posay. So the same way you'd normally apply your face creams, serums are on, face cream goes on, top it with our tretinoin, and then you can add a little bit more moisturizer on top, should you wish to do so. Okay, so now our skin is prepped and it should be feeling nice and dewy and hydrated. I would recommend leaving your skin now for about half an hour before going in with your tretinoin, just to allow your products to sink in nicely and to prep your skin effectively. When you are ready for your tretinoin stage, we're going to take a pea-sized amount of tret and apply it to the face, all over. Of course, we're avoiding the under eye area, around the side of the nostrils, the top lip. So there we go. That's my little pea size. I'm gonna pop a little bit more between my eyebrows and then rub into the face. Of course, avoiding those more sensitive zones. I like to bring it down a little bit onto my neck, but I seem to be careful of applying tret too far down on the neck. So just be mindful, unless you've spoke to your dermatologist about doing so, of course. Okay, there we have it. Our tret is applied. Now, like I said, for me personally, I do love a little bit of a sandwich. So for sandwiching, I like to use my Cicaplast B5 Balm Plus. On top, I will just take a small amount, that, and just apply to the whole face to ensure my skin is going to be nice, hydrated, happy, and of course avoiding irritation while the tretinoin works its magic throughout the night. And there you have it, folks, a dewy, hydrated nighttime tretinoin skincare routine. Should you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave them in the box below. I am here on YouTube, I'm over on TikTok, and I have my podcast, Beauty Insider 101. I cannot wait to see you in next week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.